Hey guys, today we got an unboxing of some earbuds. These are totally wireless earbuds. Got this product at Walmart. It's JLab wireless earbuds. It says smallest fit ever, dual connect. So you got a right and left hand earbud. It's cool. 20 plus hours. It's supposed to last. Touch sensors. So there's no buttons on it. And it comes in this little flip open package. It's got directions here, how to control them, different taps you do. It comes with different cushions. The case is the charger. And the little packaging has it's got a magnetic flap on it. Now I've had some of these. I have another brand, same brand, just these are wireless, but they have a wire. I know, wireless without a wire. It's Bluetooth with a wire, basically, and they go around your neck. This particular one, and I've had these for quite a while now, and they do last about 10 hours. And I just thought this would be better without the wire. So for these, same thing at Walmart. They were $15. And these, they seem to be out of stock all the time. They're $30. They also have one that's real similar to this, and it's $50. But this one is always out of stock, it seems like. So I had a hard time finding them. It took me maybe 3 months before I was actually at the store and able to find a pair, and this was the last one. So we'll do a little unboxing here. See what you get in here. Looks like they got tape top and bottom there. Okay. Got your earbuds. Let's see what's in the bottom here. Is a quick start guide. Just page through that real quick here. Start here. It's got all the instructions for pairing and move the earbuds. How to remove the earbuds from the charger. How to set them up. And your Bluetooth devices. Here's your, shows you what it looks like when they're charging. And on the back here, how to change your cushions out. It's got equalizer modes. Charging case. 3-month free. You get something. Enhance your experience with JLab audio app. So you get that app for free for 3 months. And some other information there. So let's take a look at the earbuds themselves here. Gel cushions. So on the bottom there's cushions. Extra cushions, different sizes. And quick start guide, I already went over that. So here's your earbuds. It says to pull on this. I'm guessing that, I don't know. Okay, that drops them in there so they can charge, I guess. And it kind of seems like, I guess they started charging already. You can see that it's blinking. I'm guessing this has a battery built into it. It's got a USB connector there. Connect to any chargers. You don't get a charger with it. I'd have to look what the blue light means. Let's see. Let's take a look in that quick start guide. Got blue lights. Pulsing blue light indicates earbuds are charging and turns off when fully charged. Solid green, 100%. Blinking red less than 25%. So yeah, this must have a battery built into it that charges the earbuds, and then you can charge the case with that USB there. And let's see, it seems like, yeah, there's some contact points and they're magnetic. You can see that in there. And then it has contact points on the earbud. And magnetic in there. So, get this up down. Here's your left and right. So that's the unboxing. Pretty sweet. I think I like these. They're pretty small for a totally wireless earbud. Pretty small. I mean, that's like the tip of my finger. Alright guys, that's the unboxing. I'll let you know. I'll have a little review of this later. See how they work. Take care.